Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that wha- the concept is how many ways we can create a list, right? How many ways we can create a list. So how many ways we can create normally by using three ways. One is by with dynamic input data, that is by using eval function. Second one is by using list function, and by third one is using a split function. Okay, we observed this concept in the string concept also, but it is going to the return type of split function is going to list. Okay, so today concept is I'm going to discuss about how many ways we can access the elements. Okay, that is nothing but accessing elements of a list, elements of list, accessing elements of list. So normally we can access elements of the lists. Okay, we can access elements of the list by using by using two ways. Okay, by using two ways. One is indexing, and the second one is slicing. Okay, one is by using indexing, and one second one is by using slicing. First, observe indexing. Okay, just in the last session I have covered this concept already, but just I am going to give small awareness on this one more time. Okay, if you are accessing the elements on out of range, okay, if you are accessing the elements out of range, then we will get the error saying list index out of range. Okay, so before to that I want to write some points. Normally list is a zero based index. Okay, zero based index. Okay, we know, right? So here taking one means it is giving the element from 40. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is nothing but 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Minus 1. Minus 2. Minus 3. Minus 4. And minus 5. Okay. So by using that we can say list is a zero based index. That means index elements starts from 0. That is list index elements, index of the element. Okay, index of the elements starts from 0. Okay, index of the elements starts from 0. Second, we observe that I'm giving positive and a negative. Okay, if you observe here, this is the one negative, and this is negative, and this one is positive. So by using that we can say list is list supports both positive and negative. List supports both positive and negative. List supports both positive and negative. That means positive means left to right. Positive means left to right. Negative. Okay, negative means right to left. Okay, negative means right to left. So with respect to that, we observe a small program also, right? So this is the thing what I want to explain as part of indexing. Okay, indexing means we observe, just observe the two examples one more time. ls is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Print ls of 0. Okay, ls of 0. Next, print ls of -1. Okay, I'm giving both positive and negative, and next what I'm taking ls of ls of ls of 10 I'm taking. Okay, in this case we will get error, index error. Okay, make sure we have to identify the error also. What error? Okay, here what we will get 50. Here we will get 50. Here we will get 10. Okay, observe the output 1050 index error, right? So this is what I want to explain as part of indexing. Okay, so the next concept is nothing but slicing. Just already I have explained as part of previous only, but just I am giving awareness, and as part to cover accessing elements of the list. Okay, second one is indexing. I mean, sorry, slicing. Second concept is nothing but slicing. Second concept is nothing but slicing. Observe, slicing means getting parts of the string. Okay, getting parts of the string. Getting parts of the string. Getting parts of the string. So syntax means a list start index, end index -1, and a step value. Start index means it indicates the index where slice to start. Default value is 0. In, and the end index means it indicates the index where slice has to end. So we'll get a substring. Okay, we'll get a substring. Default value is max allowed for list, that is length of the list. Step value means incremented value. Okay, default value is 1. So with respect to that we have observed with respect to positive direction, and we are with respect to negative direction we observed, and with respect to step value. Okay, by giving unlimited range also, if we give unlimited range what happens also we observe, right? So we observed all these cases by taking one list. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Slicing concept. So next concept. Okay, next concept is nothing but list versus mutability. Okay, list versus mutability. List versus mutability. List versus mutability. List versus mutability means once we create list elements, once we create a list element, once we create a list element, we can modify. Okay, modify we can modify its content. Can modify its content. Hence, list objects are so list objects are mutable. Hence, list objects. Okay, list objects are mutable. Okay, so how we can modify means observe. Okay, how we can modify means observe the point. See, first what I'm taking here means I'm taking a list. Okay, first I'm taking list. See, once we create a list element, we can modify its content. Okay, once we create list element, we can modify its content. So, hence the list objects are mutable. So, how we can do that? Observe here. First, what I'm taking a list, and I'm printing the list. make sure it is a list type. So how can we say it is list? So if the elements are represented in the square brackets, if the elements are represented in the square brackets and the elements are separated by comma. Okay, elements are separated by comma and the whole are represented square brackets, so that we can say this is a list. Okay, this is nothing but list. Next, I want to change the element of. So normally how we can access the element by using index, this is the way. ls is equal ls of what I am taking means ls of 2. So now what is ls of 2 means 30. Okay, ls of 2 means 30. But what I want to do is ls of 3 ls of 3 is equal to, so ls of 3 is equal to what I want to take, 2 3 4 5. Okay, 2 3 1 4 5 I want to take, 2 3 1 4 5 I want to take, replace with instead of 30. Okay, is it going to replace or not? Observe the output. Okay, and and let me print ls of 2, ls of 2, ls of 2. So here 30 will be there, but here 30 will not be there, and it is going to change the value 2 3 1 4 5, 2 3 1 4 5. So observe, I'm running the program. First we are printing the list. Okay, first we are printing the list. Next output is 30. Next 2 3 1 4 5. So after replacing the content, it is 2 3 1 4 5. So final content is 2 3 1 4 5 instead of 30 we are observing, right? So by using this we can say that list objects are mutable. Okay, list objects are mutable. Once we create the list elements, okay, once we create the list element, we can change its content based on our requirement. Okay, make sure remember this point carefully. Once we create list element, we can modify. Okay, we can modify its content, hence content content based on our requirement, based on our requirement. Hence list objects are mutable. Okay, hence list objects are mutable. Clear, right? So list versus mutability means this is the thing. So in the final, after completing collection related data types, I want to explain fundamental data types versus immutability and mutability, and with respect to collections also. Okay, both if I explain, so you will get much clarity. Okay, so this is the thing I want to explain as part of how many ways we can access the elements. That means by using two ways. One is by using indexing and the second one by using slicing. Next concept we observe that list versus mutability. Okay, list versus mutability, right? So thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or ping your query to my email ID in the given description. Okay, thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.